Hello students, the next video for NEET examination. Next important question. So many questions I am uploading for you. After 2 weeks, the next questions which are coming in front of you. That is IUPAC name of the following. It is the bond line formula. IUPAC name of the following. Following situation. It is the formula. This formula, here CH bond is there, here only C, CH2, 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 here CH, here CH, here CH3. The last point consists of CH3, last point consists of CH3, and this point, each corner, each angle, each angular part related with the carbon. Okay. First answer is octa 6 in 1 and. Second answer is oct 6 in 1 and. If numbering starts from here 1, 2, and numbering starts from here 1, 2. The lowest locant rule, according to lowest locant rule, this is the lowest position where triple bond is present, means one and is important, but one and is here and one and is here, which is the answer. Now select the longest chain consisting double and triple bond. The longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is octa 6 in 1 and, oct 6 in 1 and. The difference between this name and this name, what is the difference? Difference between this name and this name is here octa and only oct. Octa, if similar bonds are there, if two double bonds are there, then use octa. If two triple bonds are there, then use octa. If only triple bond and double bond is there, do not use octa. Use this such type of oct. 6 in, E-N-E. It is also in front of E. If I is there, A is there, I is there, O is there, U is there, and Y is there, then do not write E, only in. In front of E there is a Y. In front of E there is a Y. So this is not and this is not. Two names are correct, but writing method is somewhat different. Oct 6 in 1 and, it is our answer. It is IUPAC name. I am giving you a type of hint with respect to the question. You must write this hint and observe. Okay? Observe this question. We are going to next part. Yes, next important question. A simple question is there. This simple question indicates that find out this is a toluene. Will give number of alcohols. How many alcohols are formed by this toluene structure? It is one of the toluene structure. In this toluene structure, CH3, with respect to this, if OH group is directly attached to this benzene ring here or here or here, it is not alcohol. It goes to phenol. Phenolic structure. You mean this alcohol? How alcohols are formed? The alcohol which is formed, this is an alcohol. Only CH2OH. Only H of CH3 is replaced by OH group. Only one type of alcohol is formed. Another type of alcohol which is not there. So one type of alcohol is important. Our answer is 1. It is very simple, but in practice or in the tension, will be OH group is attached to this side, to this side, to this side. It is also alcohol. If you are writing such type of things, if you are doing such type of things, then that will be wrong. Okay? It is only 1. Okay? थैंक यू. चलो अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए रेडी हो जाओ. Here's the third question. In which case allylic carbon is not there? Case number 1, case number 2, case number 3, both A and C. Allylic carbon, you must know what is vinylic carbon, allylic carbon and benzylic carbon. Vinylic carbon means double bonded carbon. This double bonded carbon is vinylic carbon. Allylic carbon means carbon next to double bond. Carbon next to double bond. C double bond C, single bond C. It is vinylic carbon. Benzylic carbon means next to benzene. It is a benzene. Next to benzene, this carbon. Next to benzene, benzylic, allylic, vinylic. In which case allylic carbon is not there? Here vinylic carbon is there, not allylic carbon. Here allylic carbon, allylic carbon. Here allylic carbon. Here also not there. Here also not there. So our answer is A and C. Our answer is A and C. Vinylic carbon means double bonded carbon, जिसको double bond है. Allylic carbon means after double bond the next carbon is there, that is allylic. C double bond C, then bond C, it is allylic. And benzylic means benzene ring next to benzene ring. Benzene ring के कार्बन के बाद आने वाला कार्बन benzylic carbon. Okay? चलो. Hello बच्चों, it is the fourth and important question. The important question there. Which type of angle is there? Which type of concept is there? General organic chemistry. And organic chemistry is there. The question is there. In which case primary carbons are more? It is a very simple question. But simple and simplest questions will check our knowledge, check our basic knowledge. The first structure is 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane. At the second position there is a methyl 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl butane. How many primary carbons are there? Primary carbon. Primary carbon means the carbon which is connected to other only one carbon. Middle carbon primary nahi. The primary carbon means the carbon which is connected to only one carbon. This is primary 1, this is primary 2, this is primary 3. Here 3 primary carbon atoms are there. 2-ethyl butane. 2-ethyl butane, sorry, it is 2-ethyl butane. Here primary 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It is 2-ethyl butane. It is 2,3-dimethyl butane. 2,3-dimethyl butane. Primary 1, P1, primary 2, primary 3, primary 4. And butane, primary 1, primary 2. Means here 2 primary carbons are there. Here 4 primary carbons are there. Here 3 primary carbons are there. Here also 3 primary carbons are there. So answer is this 2,3-dimethyl butane. Please write or do some type of discussion with other student also. It is one of the question from GOC. Yes, we will go to another part, another question. Okay. Here's the next question, which is very important, which is also very important, the basic and interesting and simple question for NEET examination. Here, find out degree of unsaturation of benzene. Degree of unsaturation. What do you know about degree of unsaturation? Degree of unsaturation means, suppose N1, number of carbon atoms. N1 means number of carbon atoms. N2 means number of hydrogen atoms. Number of carbon and number of hydrogen atoms if some type of alkane which is to be formed or some type of hydrocarbon is there, either it is cyclic or acyclic, double bonded or triple bonded. There is a formula. 2 into number of carbon atom minus number of hydrogen plus 2 upon 2. With respect to this, we must know the degree of unsaturation. Okay. How many carbons are there? Carbon. How many carbon? Benzene. Benzene means the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. What is the structure of benzene? Structure of benzene is like this. It is structure of benzene. Hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen. It is our fourth hydrogen. It is our fifth hydrogen. It is our sixth hydrogen. C6H6. So put number of carbon here 2 into 6 minus hydrogen also 6 plus 2 upon 2. It is 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. 6 plus 2 upon 2. 8 upon 4. 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Means degree of unsaturation for benzene is 4. If you don't know such type of formula, you cannot able to determine degree of unsaturation. Either examination is NEET or JEE. This is also one of the important part. Okay, go towards next question. Next, sixth question, which is very important, also important. It is related with some type of trick. What is degree of unsaturation for all the following? This is one of the structure containing 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2. At the second position there is a methyl radical. What is nomenclature? You know about nomenclature rule. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 it is butene. 1, 2, 3, 4 it is also butene, but this butene is but2-ene and this butene is but1-ene, and this is one of the cyclic structure. This is also cyclic structure. Common structures are there. Answer is degree of unsaturation is 1, degree of unsaturation 2, all are different 5. There is a trick. One double bond or one cycle is there in your structure. You cannot use the formula to calculate such type of simple questions. You use such type of tricks only. One double bond or one cycle, degree of unsaturation is 1. If one double bond is there, only one double bond is there, or one cycle is there, then degree of unsaturation is equal to 1. Okay? Hello, the next seventh question. In this seventh question, which of the following compounds shall not produce protein by reaction with HBr followed by elimination or direct elimination reaction? In this elimination reaction, if you are reaction with HBr, then elimination reaction takes place with respect to that. Double bond formation means propene formation. Each and every answer consists of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, only 1, 2. Actually 1, 2 carbons are there. Actually propene formation, direct elimination reaction with HBr, elimination, which gives propene. Here 3 carbon, here 2 carbon, here 3 carbon, here 1, 2, 3 carbon. doubtfully it is the answer. But we must write the reaction. If it is reacted with HBr at the first step, CH3, CH2, CH2Br. It is our formation of propyl bromide, and again elimination reaction takes place. Elimination, one Br and one hydrogen get eliminated, minus HBr. Elimination reaction takes place. It gives CH3, then CH double bond, CH3, CH2, CH2Br, double bond CH2, CH2, CH double bond CH3, sorry, propene formation. By this HBr elimination. In this elimination reaction, this OH and this H converted into CH3, CH double bond CH2 minus H2 takes place. Elimination of water. Here elimination of HBr. Here addition of HBr. What about this? Reaction not takes place. Here also elimination of HBr. Direct elimination HBr, which gives CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. Propene is formed. Propene is formed. By this, propene is not formed. By this process, propene is not formed. So our answer is C. Our answer is C. It is our 7th question. It is now next video, which will come very few hours or few days, because the exam period now coming in September is our NEET exam. You must do practice for these questions. Okay, best luck.